What is going on, folks? Hope you're having a great day out there today. In today's video, I'm pumped because I'm going to be talking to you about signalpeak.io. I actually originally started this on a free trial and then I got onto the paid package and I have never looked back. It's been extremely easy to use. And essentially, it's super easy. I'm going to show you how it works today. Now, seamlessly, it actually attaches you into this Telegram bot, essentially. If you don't have Telegram, don't worry. We'll leave all of the relevant links for Telegram and SignalPeak at the top of the video description if you do choose to start the free trial, because I think you're going to think it's pretty juicy. And yeah, what can I say? I've been having some winning trades. Now, please remember, folks, that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and you should never invest more than you can really afford to lose. Let's get into the video. All right, folks, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about SignalPeak, how to get involved and how simple it is. And I just want to stress that even if you're an absolute beginner, this is going to be suitable for you. So guess what? You can go ahead and start your one-day free trial. I'm going to show you what happens if you do that. All right, then when you want to come back happy, 1 month at $99, we can go to lifetime. So you're probably wondering what happens, okay? What happens when you go ahead and actually click that free trial? I'm going to show you, so we're going to click that right there now, bang. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce thesignaler.com. A signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without the unnecessary noise. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on results. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial, so you can go ahead and evaluate the signals yourself before making any decisions. Stay focused, follow structure, and trade with a plan. Try thesignaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. Then you're going to be taken to here, okay? So you're going to go ahead and press Start Bot. Now, if you don't have Telegram, we'll leave a link for that at the top of the video description. So go get Telegram first, get set up, and come back here, hit the link, and you'll be brought back to here, and then hit Start Bot. All right, folks, so once you're in, you're going to select crypto. It's super easy. And then you're going to select this group here, Binance Killers VIP Signals, okay? This is the one I do recommend that you do use. So super easy. If there's any questions about how to get involved and use the Telegram, let us know in the comments section below. So we're going to have a look at this particular trade right here, WL5 to USDT on a 2 to 5x leverage, okay? You can see they give you the signal ID here. They give you the take profit targets, all four, all right? And we can see there, this actually already hit a 125.0% profit, okay? This was just on February the 18th, okay? So, you know, this one was hit just yesterday, actually, all right? So it gives you the tailored breakdown there, okay? The entry point was here, the exit point was here. And we know that this was correct because I'm actually over here right now on TradingView with my account on the 4-hour chart. There'll also be a link for TradingView, all right? If you're not signed up already with TradingView, we'll leave that in the comment section as well. But again, our entry was around here, okay? Again, this is on the 4-hour chart, and we had that big run up and took some nice profits along the way, and that corresponds exactly with TradingView as what is shown here on the Telegram. So it's really as simple as that. A winning trade, no worries. That really does show me that 92% favorability there. And I've been in this group a while, and yeah, of course, it's trading. So you're gonna have the occasional loss, but the 92% accuracy that is mentioned, that's pretty accurate. All right, folks, so what did you think about this review of signalpeak.io? As I said, I've been using it with Binance Killers for some time. I've had a lot of winning trades, and it's been a great way to end 2025, all right? So the markets will probably start to heat up pretty soon, so there's never really been a better time to get started with that free trial, okay? Always invest carefully though, guys, because remember, these videos are for entertainment purposes only. But if you do want to get involved with signalpeak.io, the link to do it will be at the very top of the video description, also in the pinned comments. Have a great day from wherever you're watching, and we'll see you next time.